Now we're going to read the story, The Coin Shop. As a reminder, at the end of In the Cave, when we last read, Nan told Kate that they could take the coin to her friend Jack, a coin expert. Before we read, let's look at the different spellings that we're going to come across. We're going to see words with the sh sound, spelled S-H, like shame, shop, and Spanish. We'll read words with the ch sound, spelled T-C-H, batch, fetch, scratches, switched. We'll read more words with the ch sound, but spelled with just the CH, like rich. There's a few two-syllable words, under and hundred. We also have tricky words, some, no, could. Let's also take a look at the vocabulary that we'll come across in the story before we read. You're going to hear the word shop. You're going to read the word shop, and a shop is a store. In this example, we have a donut shop, Krispy Kreme. A looking glass is a magnifying glass, and it makes objects look larger so that they're easier to see. And we read about a looking glass called a bug glass in Gran. And if you remember, when we read that story, Gran used the bug glass to look at ants. Here's a Spanish coin, and a Spanish coin is money from Spain. A Spanish coin is money from the country Spain. You're going to read the word date, and in this story, the date is going to be the numbers that are showing the year that the coin was made. $1600s. Those were the years ranging from 1600 to 1699, and that's about 400 years ago. This woman right here is from the 1600s. This is a batch of cookies, and a batch is a group of something. I think this is my favorite word, fetch. If you fetch something, you go get something for someone. This dog is fetching the ball. We'll hear the saying, that's a shame. Now I'm looking at this car, and I might say, that's a shame. That also means it's too bad. This car is all covered in leaves and branches. That's a shame. That's too bad. Bucks is another word for dollars. And our last word is minted. And that means to make coins by stamping metal. Now let's read to find out what happens at the coin shop on Class Kick.